welcome back my YouTube channel. Let's start our topic today. Creating ephemeral content utilizing FOMO in marketing. What start as a safe space for younger millennials and Get Z. Ephemeral content has steadily become a powerful marketing tool that more and more brands are started by utilize. First of what is ephemeral content? In case you are not familiar with the term, it's essential short-lived content, thus that generally disappeared after 24 hours. With the proliferation of a user and brand posting Instagram and Facebook stories, it's team crazy now that is been same 8 years age when Snapchat founded the format. What used to be a safe space for youngs to share content with each other without it hunting them late or their parents become to on the platform now has 1 million daily active users, and since adopting the further in late 2016 with parent company Facebook following suit a few months later. Instagram stories new has 215 million DA according to Burton. Facebook stories on other hands has 115 millions. What is it so popular? Ephemeral content is touted as one of the top social media trends to watch out in for this 2019. This is due to fact that its parents avoid areas of a benefit for marketplace across a wide umbrella of a brands. Realness, there are many elements that have led to people gravitating toward ephemeral content, but no thing that always comes up in the gaming. For authentically according to a Stackler's report, 89% of a people consider authentical a circular element when deciding which branded they like a sport, and the way stories or snaps provide user with raw behind the scenes or live content make it potential more authentic than highly curated posters. FOMO, fear of a missing out, also comes into play, particular for influencer and branded, as noted by mention whether is the flex sales or a live look at an event. The feeling nature of a ephemeral content is a good motivator for people to actively seek it to or risk being left out of the run. YOLO. From the end user defensive because posted disappear out of public views, the following day people feel more comfortable posting ephemeral content. That way they don't have to worry about personal potential, embarrassing and low production values. Digital footprint. Of course, there are also the fact and that Facebook and Instagram stories are on top of the feeds, taking away the tedious task of scrolling down to consume content. Ephemeral content strategy type capture their attention quick. According to RealStageUltimate.com, a lot can happen is the internet economics with the average over 3.9 million spends million only worldwide is a span of a 16 second in line that what that Facebook video ads are viewed for an average of less than 3 seconds. So you really need to make sure that you able to make of an impact in the first few seconds to catch and had user attention. My app, it's an offer they can refuse content they cannot see anywhere else or an interesting city or whatever it is. You only have a few seconds to engage with your audience, so make that most out of it. Tell a story. One strategy to ensure engagement is tell a croquant story. Most users decided to skip story within a second, so if you want that span to lost, you can pass the stories is stories that lead on to own stories. CTA or messing keep in mind. The when become too repeatedly user will quickly lose internet in your stories bubble. Thanks for watching this video.